Introduction to Branding. Welcome to Mind Bloom Wisdom's business series. Today's video is your complete guide to branding, the heartbeat of any successful business. What makes Nike instantly recognizable? Or does Apple feel like a premium experience? It's not just their logo, it's their brand identity. By the end of this session, you'll understand how to build a strong brand identity. From defining your purpose to creating visuals that resonate deeply with your audience. Let's begin. What is brand identity? What exactly is brand identity? It's the collection of all elements your company creates to portray the right image to your audience. It's how you look, how you sound, and how you make people feel. It includes your name, logo, and a visual, your tone of voice and messaging, your core mission and values, your customer experiences. In short, brand identity is how the world perceives you. Why brand identity matters. Let's look at why these matter. And recognition, strong brands are instantly recognized. 2. Trust. A consistent brand builds emotional connection and loyalty. 3. Differentiation. Branding helps you stand out in a crowded market. 4. Perceived value. Premium branding can elevate perceived value. 5. Internal culture. Great brands inspire their own teams too. Example. Think of Coca-Cola's red script logo and joyful messaging. It's not just a drink, it's an experience. Or elements of brand identity. Now let's explore the building blocks of brand identity. 1. Brand name must be memorable, meaningful, and aligned with your purpose. 2. Logo design, a visual symbol that captures your essence. Keep it scalable, versatile, and timeless. 3. Color palette. Colors evoke emotions. Choose 2-4 key brand colors. Red ale excitement, blue ale trustu, green ale growth or wellness. 4. Typography. Fonts reflect personality, serif for tradition, sans serif for modern. 5. Imagery style. Consistent photo or illustration style across your website, ads, and social media. 6. Tagline or slogan. A short, powerful phrase that communicates your value. Tip. All these elements must work together to tell one cohesive story, creating a brand strategy. A beautiful logo alone won't build a brand. You need a strategy. Steps to build a brand strategy. 1. Define your purpose. Or why do you exist beyond profit? 2. Know your audience. Who do you serve? Create personas. 3. Craft your brand promise. Or what unique value do you offer? 4. Set your brand positioning. Where do you sit in the market? Affordable? Premium? Trendy? 5. Define your mission, vision, values. So, these guide internal and external branding. Document all of this in a brand book or brand guidelines. Visual branding in depth. Visual branding is how your audience remembers you. Let's dive deeper into the key aspects. 1. Logo variations: primary logo, secondary logo, and icon. 2. Color psychology. Use consistent brand colors across web, print, packaging, and social. 3. Brand fonts. Choose 1 to 2 fonts and stick to them. 4. Design templates. Social media posts, email newsletters, and presentations. Keep it cohesive. Pro tip: use tools like Canva, Adobe Express, or Figma to create branded templates. Brand voice, tone, and personality. Your voice is how your brand sounds. Is your brand friendly or formal? Bold or calm? Youthful or mature? Tone of voice should match your audience. Example: a wellness brand may use calm, nurturing language, while a tech startup might be bold and energetic. Keep your tone consistent in website content, emails, social media posts, customer support replies, brand consistency, and long-term growth. Consistency is key to brand success. Stay aligned across design, messaging, product experience. Brands grow stronger over time when they keep evolving but stay recognizable. Listen to feedback. Adjust without losing their core identity. Examples: Instagram evolved its logo, but retained its fun visual essence. Apple shifted its tone, but always remained minimalist and premium. Final thoughts and summary. Let's wrap it up. Here's what we covered: what brand identity means, why it matters, the core elements of a strong brand, how to build your brand strategy, visual design, voice, and personality. Consistency for long-term success. Your brand is more than a product. It's a promise, a personality, and a relationship with your audience. Thank you for watching Mind Bloom Wisdom, where clarity meets creativity. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos on branding, marketing, and growth.